Hi friends, welcome back and we're again with Isha. Our oceans are getting polluted, so let's work together and clean them up. Open code.org and start a new Sprite Lab project.
So guys, who's ready to make our ocean? Well, in this game, it's gonna be pretty simple and don't forget, also fun. First, we're gonna go to the costume section and choose some costumes. I have chose some costumes right about like some trash and animal or any sea creature that you want. Like I chose a mermaid, this one. See? You can, and then we go to backdrops and choose a backdrop or two. Well, it is the ocean, so I chose ocean backdrops. Perfect, right? Ocean is for ocean backdrops, right? Now I go to the code part that particularly means we design our. So now let's start the design. We go to sprites, choose, well actually no, not this one right now. Right now we're gonna set our backdrop. In the backdrop, do you know which one we're gonna choose? The one with the ship behind. It looks a little all messed up. So it's perfect for a dirty ocean. But don't worry, we are gonna clean it. It's not like we'd let the ocean flow in dirt. So that's why. We're gonna go to sprite section and make sprites. How many sprites? Let me show. Choose a mermaid and let the size of the mermaid stay. It's perfect for the size of the mermaid. Then choose this thing, rabbit. Instead of the rabbit, choose a book. I actually decorated this book to make it look way better. Then we're gonna go to work sprites and choose a size for the book because it's too big. The mermaid can't help with a book that's like about bigger than the mermaid. So book size will be like 40, and the book, well, the mermaid will be placed somewhere else. Like the mermaid will be over here. See?
You are again with Muhammad.
Now, do you know what we're gonna do next? Well, we are going to make some more sprites, like more trash. Yeah, trash is gonna be important in this one. So we try to avoid trash in this one, bring it in. That's why. Right. Then we're gonna choose another of that. And then that one. You see, the bone should be like about 30, or 30 is just too small. 40 it is. And the position of the bone will be a little about there. See? Now we're gonna make some more sprites. Yeah, I know I already told you that, but that is what we are gonna do, so I particularly told you the truth. We're gonna need a lot of sprites. We're gonna keep working for sprites first. We're done with the, now let's choose the toothbrush, and then the bandage. It's actually a dirty bandage. And then this chemical. Chemicals in the ocean can be very dangerous. I know you know that, but it is important to keep the ocean clean. This way, you know, everybody, I guess some people eat fish. That's why, that's not the only reason. We also want the marine life to be safe. That's why we need to keep the ocean clean. And this game is exactly to do that. Although it won't help in real, but it still will help us in having fun while doing that. So now we're gonna go back to sprites in another of these. There. And then just gonna choose the green bottle, the chemical, and give them all positions. This one, toothbrush, will be placed about there. And then the bandage, the dirty bandage, will be placed there. It's still too big, right? No, it's okay, I guess. And then this one, the book is already at that position. This one will be placed over there. There. We are done with the design part. So guys, now we're gonna move to the real code part. This was just the design. Now we're gonna go to the world section and choose another set backdrop block and put it up. We're gonna choose a backdrop for it. So let me choose my backdrop. In my backdrop, I'm gonna choose this one. When we want this backdrop to come, then we're gonna go to the sprite section and to the event section and choose this one. We're gonna put it there, and then move everything over here in it. Then put it over there, and definitely choose something other than the purple rabbit. So that's why in the when click one, we're gonna choose this one. See? Now let's go to the world section and choose this one. Show title screen. There. In the title, what should we write? We're gonna write the ocean is, wait a minute. The ocean is polluted. The ocean is polluted. Help clean it. There. The ocean is polluted. Help clean it. Then, after that, we're going to go to the sprite section and choose make new sprite and put it over there. We'll definitely put this one a little lower, and then in this, choose this one. Not at that position. We're going to want to make it at that position. And then over here, you write, you can do it. Well, basically, can do it. And then we're going to adjust this accordingly. There. The ocean is polluted. Help clean it. You can do it. There. Isn't that like perfect? It is. This is a little, well, actually a lot fun. It's gonna be like so fun, and a game that's gonna be pretty like helping you be part of the community. Let's go to the variable section and choose, well, not this one yet. Well, let's go to the world then and choose hide title screen, put it there, go back to world and choose, well, I'm sure you just scroll down and see reset timer. Choose that one as well and put it there. Now go to the sprite section and choose a remove block, put it over there and remove the play button. There. Go to variables now and choose change counter. Well, just like change counter by 0. There. Now let's bring some motion into our program. Scroll down and then go to its behaviors. Choose the sprite begins block. For the mermaid, choose the mermaid and then go to behaviors and choose, well, moving with arrow keys. That's what we need for the mermaid. So see, now when we run it and click that, we can move the mermaid with our arrows. See? That is what we're looking forward to. The mermaid moving by our command with the arrows. Scroll a little lower and like just, no need to duplicate that block. Go to behaviors again and choose a lot more of these. Like for the rest of the sprites, the remaining ones, the ones that we have over here, like the mermaid and the trash. the ones that are going to have a pretty important part. Like this. The book is there. So for this book, and then this one, it's a bone. Just if you're wondering what we're doing, we're making the ocean pollute. I know that's bad, but don't worry. We're going to be the ones to fix it. It's going to be a game in which the ocean is polluted, and your job is to fix it. If you fixed it, so you've done your mission. See? It's going to be pretty fun and easy. Now one more of that and done. Now I'll go back up like about that much. Go to behaviors and choose, well, we're looking for moving west and looping. That's what we're looking for. Put it over there and duplicate it for what? Did I delete it? Oh yeah. My bad. But we can get it again. Just need to scroll down and moving west and looping. Right click, duplicate, then another duplicate. Let's just put this on the place first. And that one over there and duplicate. And another duplicate. And done. Over here we could change that to the like chemical. Now have a look yourself. We do that. And well, you see, now we're gonna do we're gonna make code so that when this happens, all this, the mermaid touches the stuff so they even like disappear and like get points. So for that, we're gonna go to the event section and choose this one, when touches block. We're gonna put it over there. Over here, we're gonna choose the mermaid we just chose, and over here we're going to choose any of those trash. First I'll choose the book. Then after that we're going to go to the sprite section and choose we're going to choose move pixels. I know it says north, but north isn't exactly what we're needing right now. We're going to be needing like east or west. So we choose the book again, and over here we choose like about 400 pixels, and over here west, right? Give me a minute, let me think. Okay, we're gonna choose east. There. That's not it. We're still gonna do some more for this chunk. We're gonna make a lot of chunks like that. Now we're gonna go to the variable section and choose like change counter by 1, and over here we're gonna choose like a one more block. The one more block we're gonna choose is gonna be from the world section, and we're gonna choose the show title screen in it. Now in the show title screen, we're definitely gonna add some more blocks. Like we're gonna go to text and choose this one, join. See? Okay guys, now we're gonna go back to the text section and choose, well, this one. We're gonna put it over there, and inside that, do you know what we're gonna write? Points, or just write score. Score there. And in the score, after that, we're gonna go to the variable section and choose counter. I'm gonna put it over there. There. Now we're gonna make more like these for the other trash. So now guys, we're done with all of these. I hope you're done with them as well. After this, we're gonna go to some, well, basically, we're gonna give it specific time. Before we do that, let's try running it first. We click that, and then The mermaid can go all around and swim, catch them. She can even go back, forth, right, left, everywhere. Perfect, right? I'm already having fun. Aren't you as well? Comment below if you're still with us. Okay guys, now let's grab a block, perhaps from the events section. The one block we're going to grab is the at 3 seconds block. Put it below that part of code. Well, in this at 3 seconds, we don't need 3 seconds. In fact, we need about 30 seconds. For this one, actually, we're going to need that. Then we're going to go to, well, let's try logic. We're going to use this if do block. Put it over there and make one more. If else. Now it turned into an if else block, right? If else is what we are needing, so that's perfect. Let's go to the math section now and choose this one. This little block over here can be very useful. Put it over there, and then we go to variable section and choose counter. We take it and put it over there. One counter is equal to, well, we'll want it about, well, 15 trash pieces. Trash, basically. Well, we're going to change this one into this one. Now we're going to go to the sprite section and choose, well, we're going to scroll down and choose, yeah, keep scrolling down and look for, well, this block isn't here. We'll check in the world section. No, not there. No. Behavior, there it is. Stops everything. We're going to choose that one and put it over there. And stops everything. We're going to choose the mermaid. And after that, we're going to go back to that and choose a lot of remove rabbits. Not remove rabbits, actually. Well, actually, it's going to be remove rabbits, but we're not going to be removing any rabbits today. But for removing rabbits, there's a different video on that, I guess. We're going to duplicate like 5 of these because that is how much trash we have in the ocean. Though we have more than that, but still. And choose different trashes for all of them. I'll let that one stay, and toothbrush isn't what I have put right now, so there, the toothbrush. There. And then we're going to go back to the world section and choose the show. Well, first we're going to wait. We're going to choose like set backdrop to, we're going to change the set backdrop to this one. And then in that, after that, we're going to go back up and choose the show title screen. In the title, do you know what we're going to type in? Well, yeah, first we're going to go to the text and choose one. Put it there, and inside it write, you have saved the sea. And in the lower one, we're going to back there and choose another of that, put it over there. You have saved the sea. You won. There. That's that. And then we are going to go to the sprite section and choose a make new sprite block. Yeah, the new sprite is going to be a sprite that we did like remove, but we're going to make it new one again. Yeah. We're going to repeat all the same thing for this one as well. So that means we're going to go to the, so the section we're going to be going to is going to be, which one was it? Behaviors, right? We're going to choose this one, put it over there. Again, the mermaid, the pink mermaid. And then we're going to go to the sprite section and take a lot more removes. like a lot more. So that's why I'm even gonna like duplicate them. And don't forget to give them different things that they're actually, well, using. So we keep going and duplicating these blocks. Let's choose one for this, the book, and then we duplicate it again, put it over there, duplicate it once more. There, those were all the duplicates we needed. So I guess that's perfect, right? Now, we're going to set background for this, right guys? That's why we're going to go into the world section, choose this one, put it over there. In this, we're going to choose this little sea. It looks very empty, and by empty, I mean empty and a little clear, like all the fishes or the creatures there were are gone now. So that's why. For the losing, that's what's going to come. Then we're going to go back to the world section and choose the show title screen. The show title screen, over here we're going to write, you lost everything. You lost everything. And then we're going to make something else, like better luck next time. Next time. You lost everything. Better luck next time. Then we're going to go back to the sprite section and choose this one. We're going to put it over there and choose this one there. Wait guys, are we forgetting something? Yeah, pretty much. We're forgetting something like important. I guess to some of you it's important. To those who want to end the game, it isn't. But I'm sure most of you want to keep the game going. So that's why we're going to choose this one. When this clicked, so what do we want to happen? We're going to back, choose another of this. And in this, we're going to choose this one. We're just going to go a little higher. Yeah, now let's try the game. Run. Yay, my mermaid's getting it. Just gotta be quicker and more stealthier. Get the trash on time so that I can get the points on time as well. For that, I don't have a second to waste. Yeah, I'm getting it. A lot of trash, like saving it. Well, I guess the time isn't up yet. You saved the sea. You won. Now let's try again. Well, this time, I'll most probably try to lose. Wait a minute. We did put stops everything, but we didn't choose. We'll duplicate one more, remove, put it over there, and choose the mermaid. See what we did wrong? Well, but whatever we do wrong can be corrected. Mistakes help us learn, and this helped all of us learn as well. Let's try to lose this time. Yeah. Just need to keep losing. Like, I don't know how to do that actually. Losing can be pretty hard sometimes. But I guess keeping out of the way would help. We keep it going. Just keep it going. You lost everything. Better luck next time. We click this again. And then, 30 seconds, like about half a minute. I'm sure that is enough for us to win, right? Half a minute for us, right? That is enough, especially when you only need about 15 points. Those are enough. Well, I guess I still could get more before the time's up. So we just keep going. Yes, we won. Isn't it so fun? I mean, I've seen a lot of games like this, but none like, actually a bunch of like this, but this one is so fun. Guys, don't forget to watch in our next video. In our next video, we're going to level up this game, like add obstacles and predators, like sharks and that stuff. So, that's enough for today.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.